Okay, garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and to get more video and more access to my video and my channel and everything that I post. So now today we're going to see and talk about converter. This is a catalytic converter, how it functions, and if it is not in the car, how your car performance will be. That we're going to talk about. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's move on on this. Thank you. This is a catalytic converter I'm talking about. Is the exhaust manifold that have been built inside for its purposes. So if it's been removed by thieves, this kind like this, it has been removed. So if it can be removed like this, anytime you spark your car, the sound will loudly come out like exhaust has been blown, and then the sound of engine will change. So you have to know that your catalytic is not in, and also the code will come. Will come in the engine. So anytime the catalytic converter is not in, then your efficiency of the engine will also will improve your efficiency. The how far or the mass that you go, and then the quantity of fuel that you use. That make efficiency. So this catalytic converter helps that efficiency, and then it improves, and then the performance, it helps the performance of the engine too. The performance of your engine, this catalytic converter, so the performance of the engine is sound well, the movement is okay, but when it's been stolen, it's not there, the sound will change, the performance will reduce, and efficiency too will reduce. That means your car is not well performed.